Zip ties are one of the handiest things that I have around the shop. I use them for temporary clamping, bundling cables together, and a whole bunch of other stuff. But I've never been really happy with the way I store them. It looks messy, and it's hard to find the size I want when I need it. So I've come up with a new and improved storage method. All I'm going to need to build this is some PVC pipe, a piece of PVC trim, and some hot melt glue. I've divided my zip ties by length and type. So I'm going to need different length storage compartments. I'm going to need some at 10, some at 8, and some at 6 inches. I'm going to clamp a stop block on my miter saw at those distances from the blade. This will ensure that sections of the same length are identical. With the stop block in place, I slide the PVC pipe up against it and make my cuts. Next, I position the sections of pipe, in this case 5, on top of the PVC trim so I can mark the length of the base. Then I cut the trim to length on the miter saw. Now I apply hot melt glue to the end of the first piece of pipe and place it down on the base. I apply the hot melt glue to the end of the second tube and also apply 3 dollops to the side of the pipe. As I set the PVC in place, I make sure it's in contact with both the base and the adjacent tube. I repeat the process for the remaining storage sections. Now, I can easily find whatever type or size tie I need, and if I want to, I can pick this up and carry it to the work site.